Mercedes-AMG CLE53 2025. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG CLE53 convertible will feature 443 horsepower. It is equipped with a 3-liter inline-six gasoline engine whose turbo is equipped with an electric compressor, and the sides are powered by a 48-volt starter generator, providing an additional boost for the electronic turbocharger, transmission and speed. Paired with a 9-speed AMG gearbox and fully adjustable all-wheel drive, this 53rd model is capable of accelerating to 100 km per hour in 4.4 seconds or 4.2 seconds with the additional Dynamic Plus package. On the exterior, the car will feature wider extended arches, a wider front and rear track, large 19-inch wheels, as standard LED headlights, and an AMG-styled front and rear. The folding fabric roof can be opened or closed in 20 seconds at speeds of up to 60 km per hour.